Editing pictures in Photoshop can be a comprehensive process, as it offers a wide range of tools and features for image manipulation. Here's a step-by-step guide for basic photo editing in Photoshop. Step 1. Open Photoshop. Launch Adobe Photoshop on your computer. Step 2. Open your image. Go to File, and select Open, to open the image you want to edit. Browse your computer and select the image file. Step 3. Duplicate the background layer, optional, *. Right-click on the background layer in the Layers panel and choose Duplicate Layer. This creates a copy of your original image, which you can edit without affecting the original. Step 4. Crop the image. Select the Crop tool from the toolbar. Drag a cropping box around the part of the image you want to keep. Press Enter, return to apply the crop. Step 5. Adjust image size, optional, *. If you need to change the dimensions of the image, go to Image, greater than image size, and adjust the width and height. Step 6. Color correction and enhancement. Go to Image, greater than, Adjustments, to access various tools like brightness, contrast, levels, curves, and hue, saturation, for color and tone adjustments. Use these tools to enhance the image's color and contrast. Step 7. Retouching and healing, optional, *. Use the Spot Healing Brush, Clone Stamp, and Content-Aware Fill tools to retouch and remove imperfections from the image. Step 8. Filters and effects. Explore the Filter menu to apply various effects to your image. Some popular filters include Blur, Sharpen, Distort, and Artistic. Step 9. Text and typography, optional, *. Select the Text tool to add text to your image. You can customize the font, size, color, and other text properties. Step 10. Layers and layer styles, optional, *. Experiment with layers to add elements on top of your image. Adjust layer opacity, blending modes, and use layer styles for various effects. Step 11. Save your work. Go to File, greater than, Save as, or Export, to save your edited image. You can choose the format and quality settings according to your needs. Step 12. Save a copy. If you want to preserve your original image and save a copy of your edited version, use Save As, and choose a different file name. Step 13. Close Photoshop. When you're done, close Photoshop, and your edited image is saved. Remember that Photoshop offers a plethora of advanced features, and this is just a basic overview of the editing process. The more you practice and explore the software, the more proficient you'll become in utilizing its tools and capabilities for advanced image editing.